cutest cat in the world. Oh my god. Wow.
Ooh, yeah, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, the flowers.
Whoa.
The beard, yeah. Oh, jeez, red stripe is nothing. Okay, but
We're driving water.
I don't have beers and something's in my profile.
Okay, no, you guys, I need to drink.
That's the second one?
No.
Alright, we gotta run up the train. I'm allergic. So we're gonna go to Coney Island first. It's hilarious, you know?
What were you
Because it look like a used condom or something in there. It's do. It do. Yeah.
I'm just taking a video of myself. Don't mind me.
Alright, I'm not gonna mind you.
You guys can mind me if you want. You guys can mind me if you want to. Oh, I don't like this angle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Devon.
Hi.
And Josh.
Hey.
And we are just train hopping all over New York.
We're not train hopping.
Yes, we are. What are we doing? I thought we were train hopping. Oh, thank you, Josh. We're train hopping. We're train hopping.
They are train hopping. I don't know. We're doing something.
We're train hopping. And I'm so excited because we don't know where we're going.
Local train.
But in the process, Yannick is teaching us how to
No! That's not true! Take it back.
What do you say?
I'm teaching you guys how to be up. No, we're not doing that. They're my tour guys. You're so kind. You guys are the best. Love you guys forever. Bye guys. Remember to subscribe and hit the like, share, comment button. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Welcome to New York.
But it's not moving, so what you gotta say? What you gotta say?
We love New York forever.
That's all I got. I'm gonna say. Cancel. The show is canceled.
Ooh, guys, where are we?
I'm out here to the island, baby. Now we at the island. Oh, they're stopping at the aquarium. The aquarium, which is closed. We went earlier. We didn't need it, but you know, things happen. You know. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Ooh, it's pretty. It just flew away.
That's a dog, no?
That's what you call a
Ain't nobody on the train, so that's why you know ain't nothing going on. No, but maybe.
What day is it?
Coney Island.
Sunday.
At local train.
Are we there yet? Not yet.
Coney Island.
Are we there yet? Not yet.
I tell you, no.
I didn't.
All right, I'm listening to you.
If you have questions or
DJ, look
It's you guys showing clothes?
I just came confused. Yes, it's cool. Oh, we going down there.
But I haven't taken a picture of this.
And I think they retired the Cyclone. Sad, so sad. It gave me a lot of neck injury when I did.
Which one? Which one is
no.
that? Where? Which one is that?
The wood, though. That wood.
So we can't go in there at all? Inside there.
I got
No, you
cake.
can go
Lit. It's my
inside.
birthday.
Just do you see any rides moving? That's what we saying. Ain't nothing moving. So it's closed. With a capital C. How you
I
doing,
can convince some.
Doing? See, they will have little bars and stuff open too.
Oh. Huh? Ooh. That one is a beach out here? I'm going to the beach. Okay, bye later.
Let's go to the beach.
I can't believe it. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. There was some people. Yes. Oh, yes. The word. Porky is. Well, I didn't say it, but I just said, please, and like she be trying to freight everything out of him. I said, listen, you still better love him. Or I'm gonna come through with a rock'em sock'em 1-2, like I Mayweather.
Ooh, I like Mayweather.
We been on him like the Mayweather chap. I get the press P for the pin. Big B's bring the bins out.
I like.
Start again. However I wanted to start. No, how does it start though? Boy. I break, Mariah. Look who's talking now. We don't want MCs. Oh, okay, so you want Nikki? All right.
Ooh, which Nikki?
Darling, they break like hot dough.
Whoa!
Falls on his knees with the styles. Give him a panic. Let his mama
Getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me.
But we never, ever
Getting back together.
like.
And never ever.
Ever. I mean,
Like bye.
I'm pissed. You small. Talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never, ever, ever, ever getting back together. Oh, never, ever, ever getting back together.
Back together.
They definitely added some stuff since the last time I've been here. Oh, this is so good.
You know, I just good.
At Six Flags? Oh, no, the Wonder Woman. At Six Flags, the one in Jersey is called the Wonder Woman.
No, but in Georgia, it's called Catwoman.
Oh, in Georgia. Like okay. That. Yeah, they have different name and themes and shit. I like Six Flags, though. Especially like over. But you got to go to Six Flags. I would rent a car and drive the one in Maryland. That has Hurricane Harbor and everything. You got to pay separate for everything.
What?
So you want to do that?
That's what I'm wondering if I want to do this one. Oh, my God, guys.
Make sure your throw up don't catch me.
Oh, my God, guys.
It catch somebody else.
Oh, my God. Oh, la, la. Why? Oh, my God. How many times did it go over? 4? I don't know if I can. Oh my God. This ride. Or very spinny. Oh, chez toi? Chez toi?
Moi.
Tu habites là?
Ouais.
C'est pas vrai. C'est pas vrai. Mais j'aime.
Bienvenue chez moi.
Mais j'aime ça.
Mesdames, je m'appelle Bobo et vous êtes dans ma maison.
Il est fou. Il est fou.
Il est fou.
Il est fou.
Il est fou.
He is crazy.
On va manger. Alright, video.
Let's go.
There's a video.
Hold on. I gotta shoot this off.
The pose? I like the pose. Okay. Video. 3,
2, oh, it's video. Fine.
Video.
I forgot.
Okay.
Oh,
But I'm also taking pictures inside the video.
Oh, Champs-Élysées! Oh, Champs-Élysées!
Excellence, la vie, à midi. Il y a tout sous les Champs-Élysées.
Do we have any other?
In the wind.
Huh?
It looks fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
Fabulous. Go
Can
on
I
in
do
the
a
wind,
wash and
fabulous.
go in your hair, please?
Yes. A wash
Oh
and
my
go.
God, I would
Yes,
love to
we
do a
get
wash
back,
and go.
We can do a, excuse me, we can do a wash and go. But not right now.
You think it promise?
Pinky promise. Pinky promise.
Well,
Oh, we gotta do
set
the other
on.
one.
Yes.
Okay, big boy. You gotta do the other one.
Oh.
Like that.
Oh,
Wow, baby,
all right.
baby.
Okay, awesome.
Concrete jungle where dreams
Wait.
come. We ain't singing?
Oh, yes, of course. It's just so cute.
Oh.
The.
Alright, so this
Our tour guide got us lost.
gotta go.
Our tour guide got us lost.
Y'all not following. Let's go. Let's go. This way.
Tour guide.
Alright. So then we're gonna go one more block.
Okay.
We're gonna turn.
What's happening up there? I want to go
Actually,
to that.
let's turn this block right here.
Wait, what? Tour guide. Where are you taking us?
It feels like he forgot his tour guide.
Tour guide, you tripping?
Volunteer. Okay.
What's balloon there? What's that?
Y'all having what? 2 slices of heart attack?
You don't know why we say that.
Where's the break?
But it's out of heartburn, yeah.
Come on, pa.
Guys, stop it. I don't want to admit that. The reason why I'm fat.
Je nous fais qu'une fois.
Oh, look, they go Domino's right here.
Let's go to Domino's.
I miss, like, because certain Domino's, they'll sell slices. I don't know if they still doing, like, a lot. Like, they'll sell slices.
There's no bus.
45th Street. Where's 45th?